1st of March 2014, R.P.R.A. one lot race. These are the older youngsters, which have been in about 9 days now. Not all of them, but as you can see, they're just having a bit of breakfast. These will be going out in a couple of hours. For about an hour. Be a bit of a nervous time. First time out, put a bath down for them. Okay, come on then. As you can see, they're all looking well. Pair of reds there. Nice white one. Mr. and Mrs. Horner. Red pied and blue pieds, checker pieds. A lovely pencil mealy there. Black one. Anyway, I'll stop the video here because otherwise it takes too long to load on YouTube. And I'll do another little video while they're out. Speak later.